Today I'll do a simple border design. First take out a few strands of thread. Then just start it from here. Take few strands of thread at a time. Just put the needle and once again next time you put it on the cloth. That's all. Again a few strands of thread. For doing this, I have taken 2 strands of thread. I'll do the same thing for both the sides. For this side also, I am going to do the same thing. For the other side also, I will do the same thing. For the other side, it becomes easier to do. The same thing to be done for the other side also. After doing the other side, I have taken the same color thread but 6 strands. Pick it up from here, go through the first two, keep the thread in the middle and go through it once more. Keep the thread in the middle. For the next one, go through the second one and another one from here. Go through it twice. Again, this last one and a new one. Keep the thread in the middle. I have taken 6 strands for it. Again to the last one and a new one. This way you are going to continue through the center of this. It's very simple but looks very nice. Again the last one and a new one. And you will go through it twice. Again the last one and a new one. It's very easy to do but looks very nice. This way you will continue till the end of the line. I will do the same thing on this side also. The third line on this side also. The same stitch on this side. And this way I am going to complete my work. The same thing on this side. After completing my work, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video, kindly like, share and subscribe.